In this tutorial, we're going to have some fun with some revealing art. We've got here a soft brush for the eraser. I've got it set for, let's go 20%. And we'll put the brush opacity about 60. And then we swipe across the screen. Do that a couple of times, and you can see that it reveals this lovely mandala. We go to the next layer and swipe across the screen, and now our mandala is colorized. How do you do that, you ask? Very simple. Under layer 2, I have this set to color, and I used black, and I did a fill. And that turns the layer underneath black and white. Under layer 3, using the same color as the canvas, I fill that layer. So if I do this, you can't tell what it is. We go to layer 3, we've got our little brush here. Let's turn the opacity down more, we'll increase the size a bit more, and we lightly brush across, and then lightly brush across, and lightly brush across, and we get a more and more detailed and defined black and white picture. We go to the next layer and we brush across and get more and more vibrant colors. So it's a fun way to reveal whatever art it is that you happen to have. And now I'm going to use my editing software to remove the portions where I'm selecting the layers so that the people won't see it whenever you post this to your social media account. What you can do if you don't want to see the cursor is to go to your wrench or spanner, go to Preferences, and turn off the brush cursor. I am also going to maximize this brush so that you don't actually see anything swiping across the front there several times. And let's start off. We're going to pass through several times. And there you go, your reveal is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you have a wonderful day.